Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exam Cluster. Today in this video we are going to tell you about the rechecking request process for AIB 15 which has been notified by the AIB website today by notification number AIB/WS/211 on 10th of April 2021. Before going further, I would request you to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. Friends, today a new notification has published by the AIB by notification number AIB/WS/211 dated 10th of April 2021, that is today, wherein it is written that examinees of AIB 15 who want to apply online for the rechecking of their answer sheet are requested to click here to proceed. Instruction for online procedure: examinees of AIB 15 who want to get their answer sheet rechecked are requested to follow the instruction below. Rechecking request will be accepted from 10th of April, that is today, till to 20th of April, that is only 10 days window slot has been given on payment of rupees 200 only. A payment of 200 is required for everybody. The candidate would be informed about their rechecking result within 7 working days after the application for revaluation is received. Means today if you will submit the application, then within 7 working days, that is by 17 maximum, you will receive the result of your revaluation. Candidate who want to check their answer sheet themselves will have to book a time slot and visit the Bar Council of India premises as per the allotted schedule, which will be informed to them after the Bar Council of India receives their application. So friends, there is an online revaluation wherein you can get it reevaluated by the Bar Council of India, and there is an physical process also for rechecking your examination answer sheet, when you, after placing the request, you will be getting a slot to visit the Bar Council of India office, and you have to check your answer sheet yourself and can see what is a mistake and what is a problem in that, which will be told to you once you will. It is clearly mentioned, visit the Bar Council as per the allotted schedule. The schedule will be allotted and which will be informed to them after the Bar Council of India receives their request. Once you will place a request, then Bar Council of India will give you a allotted schedule and you have to visit the premises in that allotted schedule only. Under no circumstances will the xerox of the answer sheet and answer key be given to the candidate. Means neither you will be receiving any xerox copy of the answer sheet and neither the answer key. Any rechecking request after 20th April 2021 would be rejected. Means the last date is only 20th of April, you have to do it by them, that time only. Only candidate who have received their result as failed are eligible for rechecking process. It is only for those candidates who have not cleared the AIBE exam 15 and are showing their result as an fail only. They are only allowed to follow this process and they can only get their answer sheets re-evaluated. Otherwise, the candidate who have already passed will not be able to opt for this revaluation, and you cannot do it also. So for those candidates who are unable to make it out in AIB 15 exam and their result is showing as an fail, what you have to do, you have to make an online request wherein it is very clearly given. And after that, what you have to do, you have to fill the form, and after payment of rupees 200 within 7 working days, you will be asked by whether you want to get it reevaluated by AIB itself or you want to do it physically. So both the things you will be getting there will be a option marked there. So you have to choose any one of them. If you have choose it reevaluated by AIB itself, it will be rechecked and within 7 working days you will be informed about the status of the same. And if you want to do it physically by visiting the Bar Council of India office, then you will be allotted a scheduled time, and within that scheduled time you have to see your answer sheet and answer keys, and then can get it reevaluated yourself. So here friends, it is requested to all the candidates who have appeared in AIB 15 exam, who are unable to make it out, whose result is showing as an fail, kindly avail this opportunity by paying rupees 200 to AIB, as maybe many of the candidates would be declared as an pass after the revaluation. So here's also an opportunity. You should definitely avail this opportunity and should not lose there. Now people want to know that what is a online process, how to do it. So it is very clearly written that examinees of AIB 15 who want to apply online for the rechecking of their answer sheet are requested to click here to proceed. When you will click here, you will be asked your roll number and date of birth. So you have to put your roll number and enter your date of birth, then you will get the details. But it is only for those candidates who are unable to make it out in the AIB 15 exam. That is only the failed candidate are allowed to do this process. The pass candidate will not be allowed to do it, and also you cannot get your details in this. If you even fill in your details, that will not be going further. So this is an online process for revaluation, and you have to follow the same, and after the payment of 200 rupees get it reevaluated online, or you can get the same through evaluation through physically by visiting the Bar Council of India office. Thank you friends, thank you for